How does the NACS connector compare to CCS 4EV charging? Are you curious about how the North American Charging Standard connector stacks up against the combined charging system for electric vehicle charging? Let's break it down in a simple way. First, let's talk about the design and usability of these connectors. The NACS connector, developed by Tesla, is smaller, lighter, and more user-friendly compared to the CCS connector. It combines both alternating current and direct current charging capabilities into one compact plug. This means you can handle it easily, even with one hand, which is great for those rainy days. On the other hand, the CCS connector is bulkier because it merges a J177 to alternating current port with an additional direct current fast charging section. This makes it heavier and sometimes tricky to manage, especially with thicker cables. Now, let's discuss charging speed and performance. Both connectors support high-speed charging, but they have different capabilities. The CCS connector can deliver charging power up to 350 kilowatts, making it one of the fastest options available globally. The NACS connector, particularly through Tesla's supercharger network, supports charging speeds up to about 250 kilowatts. However, recent advancements show that NACS stations can also reach up to 350 kilowatts, matching the CCS in terms of power delivery. When it comes to market adoption and infrastructure, CCS is currently the dominant standard outside of Tesla. It is widely used by many automakers in Europe and Asia, ensuring broad compatibility across various electric vehicle brands. The NACS connector was initially exclusive to Tesla vehicles, but it is gaining popularity in North America. Major companies like Ford, General Motors, and Rivian plan to adopt NACS by 2025, and more charging networks are starting to support it. Finally, let's touch on technical complexity and safety. The NACS connector's compact design comes from sharing alternating current and direct current pins, which adds a layer of technical complexity. This requires stringent safety measures to prevent issues like electrical faults. In contrast, the CCS connector has a more straightforward design with separate pins for alternating current and direct current, but it is bulkier. In practical terms, if you own a Tesla or a vehicle compatible with the NACS connector, you will enjoy a seamless charging experience with easy handling and access to Tesla's extensive supercharger network. For non-Tesla electric vehicle owners, the CCS connector remains the go-to option due to its widespread availability. However, as the NACS connector continues to gain traction, more electric vehicles and public charging stations will likely support it, simplifying the charging experience in North America. In summary, the NACS connector offers a compact and user-friendly design with competitive charging speeds, backed by Tesla's strong infrastructure. The CCS connector provides broader compatibility and slightly higher maximum charging power but comes with a bulkier design. Your choice between the two will depend on your vehicle compatibility and charging network access.